Hello YouTube, thought I'd do a quick video here. You're probably wondering where are my videos. Got a little bit of bad news. The computer that I use for the workbench slash video editing slash video studio has died, and hardware failure. So that's what's happening. I do have another computer here, but it's Windows 11. And I'm in the process of getting a hold of companies to see if I need drivers. And if they don't have a driver that I need for my camera, for my microscope, for my other programs that I need to run, then I'm going to have another problem. And yeah, so I'm not sure where this is going to go or how long this is going to take. I was hoping I could yank the hard drive out of the old computer and put it into a different computer, but the hard drive also got corrupted when it crashed. So that's not going to work either. So videos are going to be a little delayed. Yeah, I know I could grab an iPad or iPhone or whatever and make a quick video, which I still may do, but I prefer to use a better camera that's more stable. You know, when you hold the camera, it gets shaky, and I just don't like doing that unless I really have to. Sometimes, in some cases, I have to make a video that way because I'm outside or something or whatever, but I just kind of want to explain what's going on. I haven't forgotten. Matter of fact, the other day I was making a video to put on here, and that's when it crashed, and that's when my problem started. So I just kind of want to do a quick video to kind of explain what's going on. I do have lots of ideas, lots of videos. Now I got to get this computer issue solved, and waiting back to hear from companies is another thing. Hopefully they'll get back to me soon. I don't know what's going to happen. I may have to go buy another Windows 10 computer, and that's another problem. The computer that crashed was a little bit better computer. So I don't know if my Windows 11 computer, which is kind of a low-end computer, I don't know if that's going to be able to handle all the video. So I may have a problem with that. So it's just one thing after another. So like I say, I just want to do a quick video about this so you guys don't wonder what's going on. I do have parts on order for other projects that I did videos on, like that circuit board. I'm waiting for parts. They're delayed. I don't know what happened or what's going on. So I hope I get them soon. Some parts are kind of coming overseas, so that takes a long time. So I got that going on. But I just want to make this video to let you know I haven't forgotten. I just got some technical difficulties at the moment. So, at any rate, if you have any questions or comments, please post them down below. Please subscribe. Thank you and have a good day.